Data analysis. Measures of central tendency. A set of quantitative results can be boiled down to represent the middle score and an aggregate. This is known as measures of central tendency. The mode. The mode is the frequently repeated score number in a data set. There can be more than two modes. It is unaffected by extreme scores, and it is useful to observe repetitive behavioral patterns. An example of this would be Milgram's study, where there was a modal value of the voltage scale that was frequented on participants. Limitations of using this measure is that it offers no insight about the other scores, it isn't very central, it is also very fluctuating from one sample to another. Example: 5453508777770. The mode is 7. The median. Unlike the mode, the median cannot be used with data in discrete categories, as it is only used with numerical data on a linear scale. To find the median, all the scores in the dataset are put in a list from smallest to the largest. The middle one in the list is called the median. To configure this, all scores are arranged from ascending order. The middle number in this is the median value. If there are an even number of participants, in which case there are two numbers in the middle, these are added together and then divide by 2. In essence, the median value is the halfway point that separates the lower quartile from the upper quartile. It is unaffected by extremes, in the sense that there is no distortion of results. It, however, can be misleading when there are only a few scores and doesn't take into account most of them. Example: score set 347890226, median being 9. Score set 268101316, median being equals 8 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Mean. The mean is the measure of central tendency that we usually call the average. It can only be used with numerical data from linear scales. The mean is worked out by adding up all the scores in the dataset and dividing them by the total number of scores. It is the most thorough and informative measure of central tendency, as it takes into account all scores. There is, however, the probability of it giving a distorted result if there are any anomalous scores. It is done by adding up all the values to find a total, dividing the value by the number of values added together that were present. Example: 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 divided by 6 is equal to 7, the mean value. Get complete notes in PDF and book form from our Amazon store. Link given in description.